Today I found a bunch of different ruins in the Orange Grove area of Patapsco Valley State Park. Some of these ruins weren't even along a trail. I took the Cascade Falls Trail, passed by the beautiful falls, and crossed the stream several times before cutting through the woods to the first ruin. There was definitely something there, but all that was left was a large square earthwork, so I cut through the woods and across Norris Lane to the next site. The first thing I came to was a steep pit with a drop of about 10 to 15 feet. Nearby was an oddly shaped stone foundation. Next, I took Norris Lane to Morning Choice Trail and stumbled across this enormous dump site in a ravine. Up ahead on Morning Choice Trail was this awesome abandoned house. I took a connector trail to the Ridge Trail and found the remains of another old house. On the Ridge Trail, I found the ruins of a former park shelter. I also found the ruins of the former women's and men's latrines. Also, there's this cool little thing. Finally, I crossed this crazy bridge to go check out what was left of the old Orange Grove flour mill.